How did I not learn this before? From now on, I'll only make coffee like this. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of roasted coffee beans to a mixer, just like mine. Next, cover it with plastic wrap and grind everything very well until it turns into a fine powder. This is the right consistency. After doing that, place a paper filter in a cup. Then add the ground coffee we prepared, 100 milliliters of hot water, and strain all the coffee. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right point. Remove the filter and set the coffee aside. Now, in a large saucepan, add half of a 240 milliliter cup of granulated sugar, 120 grams of cornstarch, 1 liter of milk, the coffee we prepared earlier, and mix everything very well until the cornstarch dissolves. Once that happens, turn on the heat to medium-low and stir everything until it slightly thickens. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. This is the right consistency, a smooth and uniform cream. After doing that, transfer all this cream to a baking pan lined with parchment paper and spread it evenly. Finally, place the dessert in the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 2 hours. After this time has passed, unmold the dessert and finish with cocoa powder to taste. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.